guys, so magtuturo ako ngayon kay Eunice. Dahil hindi pa siya marunong magsulat, hindi niya pa alam yung sounds ng letter. Kaya tuturuan ko siya.
Okay.
What is the sounds of letter A? What is sounds of the B? What is sounds of the C? What is sounds of the D? What is sounds of the E? What is sounds of the F? F.
Hindi niya pa alam yan, turo mo sa kanya. Hindi niya alam yan, hindi ka pa turo yan. Turo mo na. Fa.
Fa. What is sounds of the G? G. What is sounds of the H? What is sounds of the I? Igloo. Ano yun? Ayun. Diba? What is sounds of the J? Ay, letter J. Tama. Jar. O, anong ano yun? Jar. What is sounds of the K? What is sounds of the L? Sabi mo.
Tumalikot, Eunice. Pwede ka lang.
The M. Monkey.
Very
What
good.
is sounds of the N? Not. Ayun. What is sounds of the O? Uy, alam mo na yan. Octopus. Octopus. Anong A? Ito ang A. Ito, O. Yan. Diba? What is sounds of the P? Pen. Pen. What is sounds of the Q? Queen. What is sounds of the R? Rabbit. Ayan, very good. What is sounds of the snake? S. Anong sounds ng snake? What is sounds of the T? Ten. Diba, madali lang ako magturo. What is sounds of the U? Sabi mo, Sa English ayun yan. Tapos, pag sa Tagalog, What is sounds of the, ano tawag dito? V. Violet. What is sounds of the W? Whale. What is sounds of the X? Hindi. Ayan. What is sounds of the Y? Yo-yo. Ayan. What is sounds of the Z? Ano mo yan? S. Hindi Z. Letter Z. Anong sounds ng letter Z? Zebra. Anong Oh! Wala,
Mababay na kayo.
Bye-bye. Magaling talaga ako magpaturo. Bye-bye. Bukas naman.